In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to spotlight on Google Meet for everyone. Spotlighting is a powerful feature on Google Meet that allows the meeting organizer to highlight a specific participant's video for all attendees, ensuring focus and attention where it's needed. This can be particularly helpful during presentations, lectures, or any meeting where a single participant's input needs to be emphasized to all. First off, let's navigate to Google Meet. Open your preferred web browser and type in meet.google.com. You'll find yourself on the Google Meet landing page, which is your starting point for creating or joining video meetings. Once you're there, you're going to want to start a new meeting. Look for the New Meeting button, which should be quite prominent on the page. Clicking on this button will present you with a few options related to meeting creation. For our purposes today, we're going to select Start an Instant Meeting. This action creates a new meeting on the spot, bypassing the need to schedule it ahead of time. You're now the proud host of a Google Meet session. As participants start joining, or any time during the meeting when you decide spotlighting is necessary, navigate to the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you'll find 3 vertical dots, or the More Options menu. Click on these dots to reveal a series of actions you can take within the meeting. From the menu that appears, select Change Layout. This option lets you adjust how participant videos are displayed on your screen. But more importantly for our current goal, it provides access to the Spotlight feature. Upon clicking Change Layout, look for the Spotlight option. Clicking Spotlight will change the view for all participants, focusing everyone's view on the spotlighted participant's video. It's important to note that as the meeting organizer, you control who gets spotlighted. You can select the participant by clicking on their image, then choosing the spotlight option that appears. And there you have it. That's how you spotlight on Google Meet for everyone in the meeting. This feature can significantly improve the flow of presentations and discussions by ensuring all participants are focused on the speaker or the content being shared. Remember, the spotlight feature is a versatile tool. Use it wisely to enhance the effectiveness of your meetings, whether it's highlighting a keynote speaker, showcasing a presenter's screen, or focusing on a particular participant's input. Spotlighting can help maintain engagement and productivity in your virtual meetings. Thank you for joining me and learning about this useful feature on Google Meet. Spotlighting correctly ensures your meetings are engaging and interactive, keeping everyone on the same page. Give it a try during your next meeting and see how it transforms your virtual collaboration experience.